Alright, here's the sandblasting cabinet I made. All poor man style. You can see it used to be a dog hut. Used to be a dog hut. So what I got here is hand holes. Don't have the gloves yet. I have to get the gloves. I keep my arms a little bit cleaner. But the arms go in there. And then grab all this stuff here. It's a spring I got here. Recommend cleaning that up. I got a door at this end, but mostly I load it to the top. Top comes up like that. Just got the window caulked and a couple screws to hold it in place. Put this over here. What I got here is a gravity feed gun. Gravity feed gun, and goes through the hole, and I get about that much clearance. It's really tight in here. I can move stuff at various angles, and as you can see at the back, got a start. Some clean metal there. Springs are a pain to do anyway. But yeah, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. In the back, I have an exhaust hole. I made that little insert here from a brush attachment for a shop vac. See there? Brush attachment. I just plug the shop vac in here. Shop vac to the hose. It's been working really good. Probably killed the shop vac, but it's old and about half gone anyway. Good use for it. So, put the lid back on here. Oh, and the other thing about this, I put a door on the end here, so if I need to do long pieces, I can run them in like that. Got a door there. I can put it in there, do one end at a time. I'll lose some media out of there, but most of the parts that I have will fit in here. And this door just sits in this groove here, right here. Lift that up, put that in there like that, shut it back down. One door. So that's the blast cabinet. My collection point is a hole in the bottom where I happen to be running the air hose up through right now. The media comes out around the side, goes in the thing here, in the bucket. Later on I'm going to put in probably a fitting for a siphon feed blaster. But at the moment all I have is the gravity feed, so that's what I'm working with. Also, the siphon feed blaster will be A little easier to use in the cabinet because it won't take up so much room. It's real lightweight. I could pick the whole thing up with 2 hands real easy. One hand if I could balance it. It's portable. And it's free.